this age. Okay, that's fine. Cognitive growth. So with symbolic, dramatic play, in your classroom you might have a kitchen where they get to cook stuff. Right? I want you to show me that it's big or it's heavy, or if it's small or if it's light, and your reaction. Maybe you open the present and do that. Yeah, you don't have to be happy about this. I want to see the emotion that you're going to get from receiving this object. And then, when you pass the present on, you change the present to whatever you want.
Şimdi bir hediye verecek bize. Biz de ona göre, büyüklüğüne göre falan böyle ağırlığına göre onu alacakmışız. Sonrasında
No, I tell them.
Sonrasında hediyenin ne olduğunu söyleyecek.
Oh, it's nice.
Oh, great.
Hediyesinden nefret etmiyor. Biraz ona göre bir şey yapabilirsek.
Dangerous.